Gold and silver traded with a moderate bearish bias throughout the day, when we have seen most of the markets remaining closed on account of pre-Christmas holiday. And yes, the US session is also going to be a shortened one. What to expect now from gold and silver with the US session before the markets close for Christmas holiday? We will see with the help of charts and indicators, way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, everything we're gonna see with the help of the analysis today. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Gold on the hourly charts, if you look at it, has formed a top here and it is still delivering higher lows and higher highs. And now, if you connect this lows here, you will find that it is just respecting this channel here, and it is very very important now for gold to trade below 2610 2608 zone. If you see gold trading below 26.8 2610 zone, stay short for possibly 2600 levels. Yes, if it breaks below 260810, we can look forward to a further drop here. While on the upside, we have seen a bit of a struggle, first at around 262022 and then at around 2626 yesterday, and specifically 263032 anyways is a greater resistance for the day. But if you connect the dots here, you will find, if you see this higher lows and higher highs, you will find it is still lot much of scope on the upside as well. But on the upside, there are two critical levels here towards 2640 and 50, which are very very crucial for gold to break past beyond, which will confirm the bullishness here. If you look at the stochastic on the hourly charts, it has hit the bottom, MACD almost flat, RSI almost flat. Coming to on the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, retracement candles, reversal sign, couple of bearish candles, one swing candle, and now the current one is going to be pretty important. If you see it is staying below 26.1008 zone, certainly you can say we can expect a bigger bearish candle compared to this, where the prices might breach below 2608 and in fact can head towards 2600 levels. Let's watch out. If it breaks below 2612, you can take a selling entry. Be careful at 2608 and then 2600 2602. Stochastic has dropped here, MACD running flat and RSI running flat, not indicative much here. On the 3 hour chart, similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See, reversal sign, three greener candles here, and now after forming a double top, just secondary red candle is formed here. Now we can expect a third one here. I'll wait for it to trade below 2612 and then 26.8 levels. If these two levels are taken, certainly 2600 is on the cards. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is in green, RSI running flat. On the 4 hour chart, see median of the Bollinger Bands giving it a little support, while 20 period moving average providing it a little resistance here. So if you see it is staying beyond 26.20.22, expect 26.25.26, and if that is taken, then 26.30.32. Only bullishness in gold is if you see it is staying above 26.30.32 zone, else it is still not to be treated bullish. And in fact, even if it trades beyond 26.30.32, remember the most critical one is between 26.40 and 50, which it needs to break in order to turn bullish here. Stochastic rising, the MACD is rising, the RSI. And before we move to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts here. See, after forming higher lows here, it has shown a very good recovery. Now almost a double top is seen, and now this was the first candle. We can expect a second one in formation here, but very very important for it to trade now below 2600, because see, this could be the beginning of the series of bearish candles from here, because once it trades below 2600, we can in fact expect it to now trade below 2580 as well whenever the next trading sessions start. Possibility is high that it can continue with this bearish bias if it closes now below 2600 levels. Be mindful. Another observation here is the crossover in the moving averages, which is certainly a bearish crossover. Prices can retrace towards this zone, and this also makes on the upside 2640 and 50 as a critical resistance. Right now the stance for gold is not that bullish here. We have to watch out for a breakout on the upside in order to take a buying position. Stochastic rising, MACD is still bearish and RSI flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy gold if you see it is staying above 26.20.22 zone. Expect, or rather I will say 22 only. Beyond this, you can expect 26.26 and 26.31.32 levels. If 31.32 is taken, possibility is there that there could be a good rise towards 2640 and 2650 levels, chances for which, as far as my opinion is concerned, appears to be less. But yes, these are markets. Remember, my opinion is worthless in front of markets. Yes, this is my expectation. However, it can break all the levels and it can keep on rising. Thus, take your positions as per the levels. While on the sell side, I will recommend you to sell here at 2612, expect 2608, and then once it trades below 2608, chances will be very very high that we may see gold at 2600, 2602 levels, below which 2596 and 2588. If 2588 is taken today, we are looking forward to a greater correction here in the gold prices. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to, if you look at silver here, see it is forming a double top formation here, rise retracement, rise retracement. Very very important for silver to trade below 2940, and I've been sharing this since long now, that 2940, 2920 should be a very critical support here for silver. If it trades below this, chances will be very very high that we may see silver back towards 2880 levels. Yes, it can try to either hit lower lows, or in fact, even if it tries to hit higher lows, it can move towards 2880 levels here. So 2940, 2920 zone is something which is very very critical. You can take a sell if you see silver trading below 2940. Stochastic here is oversold, MACD bearish, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2, look at 2 hour chart, see reversal sign, since then trading bearish, appearing to move towards 2940, and at that point we will see how it behaves. Possibilities there that below 2940, increasing bearishness, similar size of candle can be expected, which can take it close to $29 levels. um, and these are very very good support, first at 2920 and then at 29. Stochastic oversold here, MACD has just crossed over here, which is another bearish sign, and the RSI is also trading with moderate bearish bias. On the 3, the observation is more or less same. See, now it is trading below the median of the Bollinger Bands and the 20 period moving average. Indeed, a bearish sign. It can stretch the drop here, because see two bearish candles, the third one can be increasingly bearish. Only thing is it has to stay below 2940. When you see the higher price below 2940, take a selling entry there. Expect it to move towards 2920, 29, and then 2880. Below 2880, anyways, a greater correction is on the way. But I will say for silver, you have to watch out here. Look at the formation. See, it is trading in this bearish channel. It has to break 2880 in order to confirm more bearishness towards $28 levels. Stochastic has dropped to an oversold zone. MACD trying to converge. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4 hour charts, and remember on the 4 hour chart, see, yes, it has formed a double top. Yes, it has shown a reversal, two bearish candles. It is almost come to an at par levels. What has preceded this? A support from 2940. So it is very very important for silver to trade below 2940, specifically when the higher price is below 2940. That is the point at which you can say, or you can take a selling entry. Not the lower price, or not the lower price, but the higher price has to be below 2940 in order for us to take a selling entry. Till 2940, do not take a selling entry here. 2940 might prove out to be a good support. Below this, you can expect certainly a bearish move here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green trying to converge. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the on the daily chart, see, yesterday was a, you can say, indecision candle. Today it is forming higher lows. I will wait for it to break below yesterday's low, and specifically below 2920. So as long as 2920 is not taken, you have to not to consider silver as bearish. Only and only if it trades below 2920, we can expect more bearishness here. So first 2940 and then 2920. If these two levels are taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction here. Prices can in fact move towards 29 and 2880 levels as well. The stochastic here is rising, though the MACD is bearish, the RSI is flat. So considering this, I will recommend you to see, first let's talk about to also buy, where you should buy. I will only recommend you to buy if you see it is staying about 2980. Yesterday also was the same levels, and today again we are repeating the same. Buy only if you see it is staying about 2980. Expect 30, 3025 and 30, 40, 50 levels as well. Beyond 3050 is where the bulls are waiting. Else, as long as silver trades below 29 or 3050 levels, do not treat this as bullish here. This is pretty clear. On the downside, a selling entry at 2940, expect 2920, 29 and 2880. Below 2880, there is no looking back in the silver prices. We can look forward to a greater correction. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube channel. And to all of my followers, And to you and your family, I wish you a very happy and Merry Christmas. Enjoy your holidays well. Thank